Today we are going to talk about cleaning Teff seed. We have a red and white Teff that is mixed. We are using a Clipper 29D seed cleaner, which is, if you watched my other videos, is a 4-screen top and bottom air seed cleaner. This is the first machine we are running it through. I will explain how it's working and what it's taking off. The first step is the seed is conveyed to our holding tank above the cleaner. The seed is then metered through the roll feed metering hopper into the top air suction stream. What the top air sucks off is then deposited out this chute, and this is what we are sucking off: trash, light seeds, a grass type seed, fuzz, dirt, dust. That is collected here in this pail, and then we put it back in the customer's bulk bag to return to him so he can see what was removed from the Teff. I am giving the description of what is coming out of each spout before we start the mill so that you can hear me. At the end of the discussion, we will start the mill and look at what's coming out as it is running. The second thing would be the #1 top screen after the upper air. We are scalping off this grass seed and stems, different things like that with the top screen, catching it here on this catch-all and conveying it to these barrels. And this is the product. The next screen would be the sift screen. So the good Teff is staying on top of the sift screens, and the stuff that falls through the sift screen is being conveyed to these side spouts and then to a holding bin on the second story. The next step is the third screen, which is another scalping screen of a different size that scalps it closer. This then comes out this chute. You will see there's still some of those grass seeds and some larger Teff seed. This is being collected and kept separate and will be ran as large seed at the end. So far there's only 3 trash barrels of this size of the larger seed from this lot of Teff. Then the seed would fall onto the 4th screen, which is another sift screen, and all the siftings come out at floor level and are collected into our call tank after they fall through here into the basement and up a bucket elevator. The final stage of cleaning has the bottom air blowing out any light seeds that might have been missed, collected in these 2 spouts and conveyed to the call tank via a bucket elevator. We are then conveying the clean seed from the bottom of the cleaner via the bucket elevator to the gravity holding bin above the gravity table. Our gravity table is a Forsberg number 10 gravity using a fine wire mesh. This cut here is good seed, right here. This cut here is good seed, right here, these 2 cuts. The cut from here to here is recirculated via our middlings return leg, right here, back to the beginning of the gravity. This is our feed tube from the bin above the gravity. This is our feed hopper. Rate of feed is controlled here. And this is our middlings return leg to recirculate the middle cut. Give you a walk around view. This is our discard here. This bucket elevator conveys it to a tote bin on the other side of the wall over there. You will see all of this when it is running. As the gravity table is running, you will see the good seed climb to the top of the deck. You will also see, when we shut it off, we did this so you could see a line of the lighter particles. They will come up, make a U-turn, and start heading back down to the bottom of the hill. You'll see it all the way to here. All the way through here. You will see it as it's running. What the gravity rejects in that bucket elevator we just showed you is collected here into this tank, and this is kept as a lot and will be re-ran for more good seeds. So we are cleaning the Teff seed with the Clipper 29D seed cleaner, 4-screen top and bottom air, and gravity table. Results on previous lots have been 99.97 pure. The clean Teff seed from the gravity table is conveyed by a bucket elevator to our bagging bin, and then it is bagged into 50-pound bags using the Taylor OM2 mechanical bagging scale. We then sew it shut on a fishbine sewing conveyor and pedestal with power in feed. This is the final product, cleaned and bagged and stacked onto skids. What the top air is removing. Number 1 screen scalping. Scalp. This is the large seed scalping. This is the number 2 screen sifting. Number 4 screen would be same sifting. This is siftings off the number 2 screen. Table at work. Is the final product, bagged, tagged, and stacked, ready for return to the customer.